if you put peak Rory against peak Faldo, going to be controversial, but peak Rory's winning every day of the week.
Well, this is where you get controversial. By the way,
on modern golf courses.
By the way, Tiger Woods, big advocate, my idol. We come back to a topic of discussion which I always see on socials. Who's better at golf? Who is the GOAT? Tiger Woods or Jack Nicklaus? And it's a great talking point.
I think that's a really great talking point, and maybe something we'll talk about in another podcast.
Yeah.
I think one of the questions we will come back to is who's the third best golfer of all time, but let's pick that up on another day. We'll pick that up another day.
We'll talk all day. Top 3.
How can he not be with 18 majors?
Because, again, we go back to
this feels like the next podcast.
Similar to what we were discussing, right? About the volume of golfers and the inclusion of golfers. So back then, you had a pot this big, and you went, well, yeah, this person's going to win loads. He's won 18. When Tiger was in, the pot was this big. Yet he still managed to nearly get to Jack's feet, and there was a lot better golf. But he nearly did.
But how do you determine success? Who's the most winningest Premier League team of all time?
So this is where you'll look at statistics, and we just stated, and we looked at statistics, and we said, well, golfers have got better. They got better by 4 shots. So we should be saying, well, yeah, golfers got better. They got better by 4 shots. That's the statistic.
Yeah.
But the reality is what we were just discussing, that there's now a lot more people playing.
Yeah.
So, and the handicap system's changed, and therefore it's not the same playing field.
Don't get me wrong, I think...
But if I said to you, right, prime Tiger against prime Jack, go play 18 holes on the toughest golf course possible, right? Because at the end of the day, the toughest golf course will prove the best golfer, will it not?
Yeah.
With the best equipment possible, who's going to win?
Tiger.
Every single time. So is he not the best golfer?
Yeah, no, but I think he is. So I'm advocating for Tiger. I think Tiger is the GOAT. But my question was, who's the third best? And you went, well, Nicklaus isn't even in the top 3.
And the same principle applies.
But it has to.
Same principle applies. He played a different game in a different era with different people who didn't compete to the same level that the current people do.
But you can only compare people to their generation.
We should have this on camera, but we ain't.
we have got this on camera. I think.
No.
You can't. You have to. Can only compare people to their generation.
No, wrong. It's wrong. No, it's wrong though, isn't it? Because that's kind of like saying that medicine was as good back in the 80s than as it is now. No, it frickin' wasn't.
But medicine has developed.
They used to give kids honey and stuff.
Still do that now.
There you go. Or a bit of vodka.
So Tiger's the best, we've agreed.
Tiger's the best. Jack's maybe 10th or something.
That's a nonsense.
He's old. No one cares.